To start a recording session with the Fluke 1730 energy logger, when you first turn the instrument on, it'll come up to the meter screen. From this point, hit Change Configuration and set the Energy Study or Load Study option under Study Type. The topology is the power type configuration that you're connected to. And then any changes you want to make with a voltage or current ratio if you're coming off of secondary PTs or CTs. Once it's set for what you're connected to, hit back, and then hit Verify Connection to see if you actually have a problem with any of your voltage or current leads. In this case, it is flagging that I do have a problem on phase B. So it's showing that I've got negative kW on phase B, and then down at the bottom, it's giving me some more information on why it thinks there's a problem. I have two choices. I can go into Correct digitally, and I can manually make changes to the mapping, but if I don't really know what changes I need to make, I can go back and just hit Autocorrect, and the unit will go in and make the changes for me, and then I'm ready to continue. So once it says no errors detected, I hit the back button, and then from here I'm going to actually start the recorder. So I'll go into Logger, and I've got a couple options as far as how long I want it to run and what averaging interval I want to use, along with my demand interval. If I want to make changes to this, I simply hit Edit Setup. I can give it a custom name. I can tell the unit how long I want it to run. In this case, I'm going to do a month recording. So I hit Enter. I'm going to go ahead and set it for 4 weeks, which will give me my month period of time. And I want fairly tight resolution on my trend charts, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that at 1 minute. But I can change this to whatever I prefer it to be, either faster or slower. And then as far as my demand interval, this is typically how the utility bills. And in most areas, it's very common to have a 15-minute demand. So I'm going to go ahead and change that to a 15-minute demand interval. So my min and max for my RMS will be calculated every minute, but my demand or my energy values will be calculated at a 15-minute interval. And then I can also program in what my cost for electricity is, so the unit can tell me what the cost is during that month period of time that I've had it running. Once I'm happy with my settings, I hit Done, and then I hit Start Logging. And now the unit will run for 4 weeks based on the options I set, and you'll notice that the power light is now flashing green, letting me know that the unit is actually recording.